Engineers designing 3D printed wear parts need access to quick online tools. Tools that offer review of part producibility, material and tolerance information, pricing, and much more. In this video, we're going to walk you through our online process. Hello, my name is Preston Souza, 3D printing product specialist here at IGUS North America. We've developed a 3D print service design tool to help you speed up your prototype or small production run process. You can upload your step file and review all part details in just under a minute. Let's dive into a live walkthrough of our 3D print service now. Here we are at the IGUS homepage. First, we'll want to navigate up to the Configurator drop-down menu and head over to Bar Stock and 3D Printing. On the submenu on the left, under 3D Printing, we'll want to select 3D Printing Service. Scroll downward and click the button that says Upload File for an easy order or inquiry. Once the designer is loaded up, you'll have two options to get your step file into the designer. You can either drag and drop from the desktop, or you can select CAD model here. Once you've opened your step file, you can see the model is being processed. Once the processing is complete, on the top left you'll see a 3D rendering of your part. You can click on the full screen view icon here to get a close-up image of your part. Or you can select the dimensions icon and see your part size and also the component volume. In the middle of the page, you'll see the production method and also the materials available for that production method. Here you'll see our SLS procedure and our I3 and our I6 material. You can see the tolerance capability of plus or minus 0.1 millimeters and also the flexural strength of both materials. Scrolling downward, you'll see our FDM production method and the materials, and also our print to mold procedure and the materials available for that production method. Once you have the production method and the material selected, you can head up to the Producibility tab. The Producibility tab analyzes to make sure that the part meets the minimum wall thickness of 0.7 millimeters, and also that it fits within the installation space of 170 millimeters by 220 millimeters by 320 millimeters. If you see all green check marks here, that means the part is okay for production as is. If you need additional post-processing, you can select the Finishing tab. In the Finishing tab, you see that we can offer part dyeing, for example, black in color, upon request, and also chemical smoothing of the parts if a smoother surface finish is needed. On the left-hand side, you can see the quantity of parts and the price per part. One piece at $37.13. If we change this to 10 pieces, we get live feedback on how that affects the part pricing. You'll see the price change to $18.93 each for a total order cost of $189.28. You can now either add the parts to the shopping cart or request a quotation. There you see how easy it is to take your concept from design to production. In the description below, you'll find more information about 3D printing and also a link to our 3D print service. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more IGUS content. Thank you for watching.